Good afternoon, you're watching GKTV and I'm your host Shireen Naman. In a concerning development, Kashmir Valley is facing an alarming weather situation this winter. Due to the prolonged dry spell and scarce snowfall, there has been a significant depletion of surface and groundwater resources. This is evident from the drying up of springs at various locations across the valley, which is a worrying sign for both the environment and local communities. The decline in snowfall has largely been attributed to the effects of climate change and hazardous global warming. These factors are contributing to the unprecedented phenomenon of springs drying up in the region. The situation has become especially dire this year, with several vital water sources, including the historic Achabal Mughal Garden, running dry due to the ongoing dry spell.
यही सोर्स है इसका। जो ये पहाड़ आप देख रहे हैं, 1-2 साल पहले यहाँ से ही वो न्यूज़ें चली गई थी कि सबसे ज़्यादा पानी जो अछबल से ही निकला था। वो न्यूज़ें पे चली उस टाइम के अब इस बस्ती को भी खतरा है, इतना पानी निकला था उस टाइम। मगर ये पहली बार देख रहे हैं कि ये पूरी तरह से एक कतरा भी अब नहीं निकल रहा है।
Experts point out to a staggering 80% precipitation deficit this winter as a key reason for this alarming situation. The region has also witnessed soaring daytime temperatures, which are approximately 8 degrees Celsius above normal. This lack of adequate snowfall is not only having a devastating impact on water bodies, but has also severely disrupted tourism in the region. The much-awaited Khelo India Gulmarg 2025 Winter Games have been delayed, affecting local businesses and putting a strain on the region's economy. As winter nears its end, the minimal snowfall and the dry conditions have also raised alarming bells in the health sector. There has been a noticeable rise in respiratory illnesses, including flu cases, with low temperatures and dry air increasing the circulation of these viruses. This weather crisis, marked by a shift in patterns and the drying up of essential water resources, demands immediate attention. The effects are being felt across every sector, environmental, economic and public health, and require an urgent action to mitigate a long-term impact on the Kashmir Valley. Stay tuned and keep watching GKTV.